On November 27, 2022, officers were dispatched to a medical emergency at the Miami International Airport in Miami, Florida. Prior to departure, the American Airlines flight crew attempted to wake a passenger to fasten his seatbelt, but he appeared to be coming in and out of consciousness. The passenger was identified as 30-year-old NFL wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr. Due to the flight crew fearing he was seriously ill and that his condition would worsen through the 5-hour flight, they called for police and fire rescue.
And it seems like either drunk the ball or something that is not responsible.
Okay, let's go shoot, huh?
No, he's not responsible.
But let's go shoot?
Yeah, so it just came in, or you guys just landed?
We were leaving. Sorry?
We were leaving, now not taking off.
Upon arrival, the officer suspected Odell was extremely intoxicated. But first, let's hear a word from today's sponsor, CF Moto.
I don't know, he said he's like that, he's been like that. Yeah.
Waking up or
You know it. He opens up his eyes. Sir, are you able to get up? Can you get up, please? You okay? Yeah. What's wrong? The airline's called for you, sir. I don't know what it is.
You good?
How you doing, bud? How could you be unresponsible? I'm trying to get to my responsible question.
He's probably on a deep sleep. You know where you're at, sir? No, he's quite tired. Okay, he looks good to me.
That's
good.
Where's his pants?
Oh, sorry?
Where's the baby's pants?
What do you mean?
He's only got some there. Yeah.
Yeah, they're on.
Are they on now?
Yeah. So they weren't out before? No?
Go back, Brian.
Okay.
Go back. Go back? We're good. Yes.
Yeah? We're good? I'm good.
You want him to have him shaking him to get his seatbelt on and
You
he
might,
his phone?
I mean, you don't want him to fly. That's a decision that you guys are going to have to make. That's, you know, you tell the captain, and then we'll get him out, but that's something that you guys got to do.
That's what they come to multiple people. Hey, sir, put your seatbelt on. All we're doing is this.
This is a 5-hour flight.
Yeah, it's just 5 hours.
And that's up to you guys.
Yeah,
That's up to you guys. But medically, if he doesn't want us to check him out, I can't. And I don't really say anything wrong. He might be tired or have taken a long trip and doesn't want to follow orders. That's a whole other animal.
You told him he just came from the bar.
Yeah.
Okay, I get that. He's tired.
He's not even responding. He's to put on his seatbelt.
He just responded to know where he's at. He knows where he's at, exactly where he's flying. He had pants on when he came on. He had pants on now.
His pants are on now.
His pants are on.
Now?
Shorts on, I guess. Yeah. Okay. We'll do whatever you decide.
If you want, we'll stand by out here because I don't know what's in. Right. I don't know what you want us to do as far as fire rescue. Because I put it down as a no patient found. I tried to reach down to ask the seatbelt. I saw that he had where I was at. Yeah. We're going to be outside.
You know what that is, right? We'll go back.
Yeah? Okay.
No, he's not paying. No, that's right. Nobody's picked him up. I think personally, once we started, we've gone back to the gate and like all these calls. Yeah, of course. I think it's happening. I think the agent's telling me he's getting off. Well, we got fire there. He played for the Giants. He played for the Rams. I don't think he's in the league right now. I don't think they've signed him.
Flight attendants asked Odell to exit the plane, but he refused, causing all passengers to deplane.
And then what happened?
I said, he's getting off. He's trying to get him to get his things.
We tried to get him to get his seatbelt, and he wouldn't. He just shaking his head.
He's mad at us because we called you. I said, we're worried about you.
That's fine. You guys are doing your job.
He's going to go deteriorate once we get in the air, so he's all in there.
Don't worry. So,
I was trying to get him to get him off, but he doesn't want to get off. So stay here, please.
well, that's going to be a totally different thing if he doesn't want to.
Okay, so he's at that point now. He won't come.
What we have a procedure that we have to follow. If he refuses to get off, you're going to have to deboard everybody. Concerning the situation, correct? At least everybody got that way. I had a first time. So it's not. Sorry, I didn't hear you. No, he doesn't want to come off. He does not want to come off. Okay. Advise the sergeant to come here. Motor 70's on.
Who wants to come off?
We have to deport everybody. First class. And then,
First class? Okay.
No.
You can tell us.
It's 2,000. I believe it's a whole thing. You got to deport the whole thing. 2,000 by the way? No.
Shall I take on that?
Yeah. Well, let's see. I think he's still talking to us. Because we can't do anything until supervisor does anything. He's refusing to come off? Okay.
What is that?
He's refusing to come off.
He's got to have money. He's in first class.
He's in
Wait a minute, get out!
What's up, Beckham? What's up, Beckham? No, it's not. Yeah. This one wasn't off. The captain walked him off. They were taxing out. So they want to hold up that. I mean, what is it does? Can I get a signature? They're really gonna have a big right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they got it. That's my phone. Too bad. I didn't have my phone, bro. That's my phone. That's too bad. Apparently, they said that he took off that day and said something about his pants. Oh, really? He was in underwear. He told the lady that he's been clubbing all night. He's probably either by drunk or both, booze and drunk. Yeah, we gotta deport everybody. There's a procedure. We gotta wait for a supervisor to get here. That's fine. Make sure as individual doesn't result in some critical as a problem about deported. Get off the plane. Get off. You can get off the phone. You just if you hey. They're asking me to leave the place because they don't want to slide 5 hours salary with his conditions. I was calling from the seatbelt and broke off and they get them off. This guy, people are telling him, hey, get off the plane, don't make everybody be working. Yeah. We're gonna get, we're gonna deport everybody, right? Or just for us? We're gonna have to, yeah. Everybody. Yeah, it's everybody. So she needs to start making it. Yeah. So you want to tell her? Yes. Yes, everybody. Yeah, they're going to announce it now. Who's the guy in charge? The guy over there? Yeah. How you doing? You're the person in charge? How you doing, Sergeant Garcia? So I understand that one passenger needs to get off, right? Everyone intoxicated, belligerent? No, he just that he was unresponsive, tried to push, he was okay, then that's when they pushed, they tried to get him to put his seatbelt on, but he was still passed out. They came back, we tried to get them up, call paramedics, they finally got them up. Crew at this time don't feel confident with them flying because they're not sure what's going on with it. So I just had my accent just right in the plane and I put my next class, which actually means all half an hour. But now he's being belligerent and non-compliant. I don't want to come off, so unfortunately I have to be everybody to get him on. Correct. Just make refuses to comply. So that's what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to deplane everybody. Once we have everybody deplane, then peacefully if not then. Let's do it. How you doing, man? Can you for a second? How you doing, Marcus? Rene Garcia, Sergeant with Miami-Dade Police Department. Nice to meet you. Listen, unfortunately, it's not our decision. Listen, Sam, you were passed out. They had to wake you up. I come back. I need to disclose things that you want to phones and it's not. I get some message, but apparently think that will come. We're trying to accommodate you. Okay. Listen, we're trying to accommodate you. This is going to happen, brother. I want to avoid any embarrassments or issues. The crew, the captain's the one that makes the final decision. Right now, for whatever reason, they're asking you to leave. We're booking them the next flight. Okay, well, this is what's going to happen. As soon as they get off, you can do whatever you got to do. We're going to have to deplane everybody on this plane, and then you're still going to get off. That's fine. Okay. What I'm saying is, less. We're going to have to go for that part, and then we're going to ask you, okay? That's fine. Thank you. Appreciate it, okay? Sorry to go see. I'm going to negotiate some. So listen, just make yourself comfortable. Once we leave the plane, then I'm going to ask them, and they'll just walk off, okay? And hopefully they'll put you on the next flight, okay? Just follow. That's it. I appreciate it. That's it. Everything wrong with the world. That means to get together now for you. I would never, ever in my life, get off the plane for you. Specifically you. Maybe everybody else. I would get off the plane. Look at me, look at me. Ain't no way you can look at me. Ever.
Guys, let's go again. Let's go again.
You gotta wait 40 minutes, and I'm going on a private plane home.
Good.
Yeah, your fat ass. Yeah, I will. Get your ass off the plane for a second. Yeah, I bet. Enjoy the cheese board on the way home. Get your ugly ass. Shit, I ain't letting me, bro. Got like fucked up. I'm sorry. All you have to do is wake me up.
You're gonna go that way? Yeah, just playing around the galley.
They're about to.
I've never in my entire life changed. I've never in my entire year, I'm still in the phone. Everyone get off the first class. I really don't know. No, I kid you not. I don't remember detail hours worth of 8 hours on the flight. 5 hours left. What's that trouble? And the white man, they look at me talking about, just get off the plane. Bitch, now you made it my point to knock it off the fucking plane. I'm literally surrounded by 19 officers.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, after the operation, all passengers must report with all their luggage. Thank you.
So what we're going to do, I got to explain to everybody, because if it does become physical, we don't want any civilians involved. Hopefully, we're going to get off. Now, if he doesn't get off, then I'm going to give him fast pass warning. You know what I'm saying? Hey, now, if you're refusing, now you're subject to arrest, but fast pass after warning. Because at the end of the day, we can't do this. It's like business, it's like being at a circle K. They don't want you here, but no, I want to still be here. That's not okay. We're doing this for safety, for safety reasons. I'm giving him another opportunity, Mr. Beckham. Or not, if he doesn't, then I'll issue the fast pass warning. And you go with that, okay? And then if he's still, then he'll be subject to arrest, and then we'll see what happens. Okay? That's where we're off. Sorry? Just working out here. Ladies and gentlemen, exiting aircraft. Keep in mind that hopefully this will be a shorter process. Well, us definitely not going to make it. It's all good. And if he's working, I'm getting to ask you. Check me so that everyone knows that you're fucked up. I think what happened wasn't clear about it. I fell asleep before the flight. And they just thought maybe it might use a further emergency in here. And that's why they have to take it. It's nothing. It's just liability. I know, honestly, we all can do this, but once, we're just hoping that you do the right thing because it's holding up everybody else. I'm just holding you up to trust me. I understand. But stay already. That's why you already. They're gonna check you out right now, okay? It's not what we're gonna do is just check the blood pressure. We're gonna do the calcium conscious and your blood sugar, okay? So you got that there. Especially because it's better shape. He's, at the end of the day, we got the numbers, but yeah. Did you call him up? Yeah. I don't know. Because this is gonna be yeah. And then yes, sir. This, I'm sure. I want to know. I'm gonna get off actually one second. The white man or the red shirt, do not let me walk by him. No, we'll walk out. It's all I'm asking. Don't slip on that, brother. Don't slip on that. But it ain't worth it, bro. I've never experienced this. I'm sorry. Whatever you do, 268. It's hard because trust me. It's only hard because my ego. So I'm gonna be like, and I'm gonna put that in check. I'm gonna walk off this phone every 12 minutes. Find that. That's 12 years. I feel what you're saying, I swear. It's just like it took all this just to wake me up. Well, I'm going to feel it. So maybe we'll, alright, I appreciate it. We'll walk here. I'll just tell them to be in departures and give us a door where they're at. And we got everybody else, okay? Don't forget your stuff up here. That's not. Hey. There we go. We're getting out. Are they going to pick you? No. Okay. We'll go out by door 3 or 4.
downstairs, just so where you can get your luggage. We'll show you where it's at. It's over by door what? Where you go pick up your luggage and stuff? By what door we gotta go for the luggage? 4 or 5, right? Yeah. How you doing? It's Cameron. So we had an incident on a flight going to LA where a gentleman was extremely intoxicated, inebriated. Long story short, he was asked to leave. We had to deplane everybody, right? And he finally came off voluntarily. He has checked baggage in that flight. Okay.
So it's really hard to get that done.
Okay, whatever the procedure is, I'm not telling you how to do your job.
He just have to wait, and the bags will be in LAX when he gets there.
The bags are going to LA. Hey, so I just spoke to the lady. She said, listen, on a flight that big, those bags are in the container, so they get sent to LA. So when you get to LA, you can pick up, you can pick them up there, or have somebody pick them up. All right? If you're gonna have somebody pick you up, just tell them that you're by door 3 arrivals, and they can pick you up here. Okay? Oh man, I'm out of here. You have a good one. Okay? Yeah. You'll pick it up in LA. Okay? Let's go. Let's go.
Several individuals, alleging to be on his flight, complained on social media about his behavior causing a delay. American Airlines later released a statement on the incident. Odell also indirectly addressed the event on Twitter, saying, "Never in my life have I experienced what just happened to me. I've seen it all." His attorney also spoke out about what transpired. In summary, he stated Odell was causing no problems. He was soon awakened and asked to put his seatbelt on, or he would have to exit the plane. Eventually, they informed him it was too late and he had to leave. He claimed at no time was Odell disruptive or combative, and that it was an overzealous flight attendant who wanted to prove he had authority over Odell. It's believed he did not receive a citation and was released as a result of the incident.